Today I have this gorgeous lace pattern for you. This is the front and this is the reverse. Hello and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm looking at this gorgeous leaf design where they cascade up the fabric. This is my cast on edge and the pattern was created in this direction, working upwards. This is 3 repeats of the pattern going up in columns 1, 2 and 3, separated with reverse stocking stitch in between and at the edges here. The leaf design itself is worked over 14 stitches and I've used just 4 stockinette stitches in between each one, but you could use as many as you wanted. There are 8 rows to the pattern. This is 1 pattern repeat from here to here, another to here. I'll write the pattern out in the description box below for you. I think this would look beautiful on the fronts of a cardigan or a sweater maybe. There's the reverse. So grab your needles and some yarn and let's get started with the knitting. For this demonstration, I'm knitting on 1 single set of the repeat. I've started it already and cast on 22 stitches, which is 14 for the repeat with 4 extra in stocking stitch, stockinette at each side, giving me a total of 22 stitches. Row 1, the right side, we start with a purl 4. This is the side edge of the work with the stockinette stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit 3. This is where the repeat pattern starts between the asterisks in the written pattern. 1, 2, 3. Knit 2 together. There we are, knit 2 together. Knit 1. Yarn over. Purl 2. So the yarn needs to come to the front. Purl 2. 1, 2. Yarn over again. Take the yarn to the back. Knit 1. Then we have sKpo. Slip. Knit the next stitch. Pass the slip stitch over. Knit 3. 1, 2, 3. That was the repeat. Now we have the stocking stitch again at the side, purl 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turning the work for row 2. Row 2 and every alternate row are all the same. Knit 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then the repeat, purl 6. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then knit the 4 edge stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we're ready to turn the work again now for row 3. Row 3. The edge stitch again, it's always the same, purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Starting with the repeat, knit 2 knit 2, knit 2 together. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Purl 2. You can see the purl stitches forming this center column here. So that's purl 2. Knit 1, yarn over, knit another one, sKpo, slip, knit, pass the slip stitch over, knit 2 and purl the edge stitches. 4 of those, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Row 4, which was the same as row 2, so we had knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, purl 6. If you're following along with me, remember you can pause whenever you need to catch up. And the centre 2 purls, 2 knits rather, 1, 2, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then back to our edge stitches which we knit. And you can have as many of these as your pattern needs. That was row 4. We're ready for row 5. Row 5 is purl 4, 2, 3 and 4. Now the pattern starts. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 and purl 2, knit 2, yarn over, sKpo, slip, knit, pass the slip stitch over, knit 2, 1, 2, and then we purl the 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turning the work, row 6, again the same as row 2 and 4, knit 4, 3, 4, purl 6. I post a new stitch pattern video at least once a week, so be sure you've subscribed and then you don't miss out on any. And let me know in the comments below what you're working on and whether you have any favourite stitch patterns of your own. Knit 2 for the centre, purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then we have the edge again, and we're going to turn the work now, ready to start on row 7. And here we are with row 7, purl 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, knit 2 together, yarning back, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. We're at the centre again, so we purl 2, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, sKpo, slip knit, pass the slip stitch over, and then we're back to the edge for the purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turning the work for the 8th and final row, knit 4, purl 6, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, knit the centre 2, 1, 2, 6 again, and we're making our way to the end of row 8, the final row of the pattern repeat. there we have it. And that's our leaf design. We've just made the repeat from here to here. And you can see the pattern forming there. I hope you found this video useful. Please give me a thumbs up and have fun knitting all your stitches.